Thanks to our customer from Democratic Republic of Congo for purchasing our EA500C3 outdoor LED screen. EA500C3 rental LED display is designed with quick locks around it, which is convenient and quick to install and improves the flatness of the screen. This LED display also supports curved installations and is made of durable, aesthetically pleasing materials. EA500C3 series LED screen 2 fast locks on left and right side ensure faster assembly and better screen flatness. EA500C3 rental LED display signage has 4 corner protectors in each corner to prevent LED to be damaged, more security for transport, installation, operation, assemble and disassemble. Foldable design, and easy to use. EA500C3 indoor rental LED display front service series. Power box hollow design, easy maintenance, excellent heat dissipation. The high-precision LED display makes images and videos seamlessly spliced and displayed, providing you with the perfect visual experience you want. Viewing angle is up to 140 degrees vertical and horizontal, providing a wide viewing angle.